Cocorico!
Greetings. Today we're going to be cooking chicken skins. Before you tune out, they're actually beneficial for the heart as they contain unsaturated fats, but eat in moderation because they also contain a measure of omega-6s, which, if taken in large quantities, leads to inflammation. Let's get to it. Whenever you make chicken, for the love of God, save the skins. Stretch a few of them over a wire mesh, add salt and pepper, and bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. And that's it for a delicious snack. You're welcome.
Moment
of truth with a chicken skin. Oh, good. Moment of truth.
Yeah, it's fun. It's chips. It's good. It tastes well. The spices are good.
Thanks, buddy.